Today we're making a non-alcoholic lemon drop.
First things first, we want your mocktail glass. So our author of this recipe says to use a martini glass. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna use my stemless wine glass. You could go rustic and just use a mason jar. This recipe serves one, so you can definitely double it, triple it, whatever, if you decide you like it. Take your glass, get the rim of the glass wet with either half of a lemon or a little bit of water will do. And then I have a glass here with some sugar. And you just want to get a nice sugary rim on your glass. It just heightens the experience. So we're going to go ahead, set that aside. And we're told to use a cocktail shaker. And I have one, but it makes me nervous. So we're just going to be stirring everything to chill it, and then we will strain it into our mocktail glass. Whatever you're using, put some ice in. We want to chill our ingredients before we put it into our glass so that it doesn't get so watered down. Ice, along with 1.25 ounces of lemon juice. Fresh is best. We need 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. You can buy this. I made homemade using the cold method, and I have that recipe. I will put it at the end of this video, so stay tuned. It's super simple to make. Mine has a slightly brown color to it because I used raw cane sugar. If you're using regular granulated sugar, it won't quite have that brown hue to it. Okay, and then shake or stir. And you know what? If you're using a cocktail shaker, our author said shake for 15 seconds. If you're stirring or whatever method else you're using, wait until condensation forms on the outside of your container and rises to at least the top line of your liquid, which mine has. I'm gonna give it a few more seconds though. All right, get your mocktail glass back out. I have a little strainer. Well, first, hold on. Let's pop some ice into your glass. We might do 2 cubes. We're gonna do 2 ice cubes. It's a big glass. Let's go ahead and strain our mixture. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but hold on. We do have to top it with some sparkling water or club soda. Two and a half ounces. You can garnish it with a little bit of lemon peel. I am using a lemon wedge. This is a very large glass, so a martini glass would be a lot better. However, I think it's still gonna be delicious. Let's give it a taste test. That's refreshing. This is delicious. To be honest, I've never had an alcoholic lemon drop. However, super refreshing, super easy to make. I'll leave the ingredients listed down below for you guys. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you would give this one a try. Share it with someone you think who would enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And again, if you're looking for that homemade simple syrup recipe, the cold method, you don't have to wait for it to cool down. Go ahead, click or tap right here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.